Yes, Mom. I know. I'll call you back. 2 minutes. Michael, where did I put that list?
Which list?
The shopping list. I wrote everything down yesterday.
Check your coat pocket.
Oh, here it is.
Mom, look, I drew our family.
That's lovely, sweetheart. 1 second.
Mom,
Leo, please. I'm busy.
Hello? Yes, speaking. Really? How much? And it's in good condition? I could pick it up today if you want. The boy would love it. He's been asking for weeks. Okay, so I'll take him off your hands. No problem. We can do it this afternoon.
Dad,
Hey, buddy, what's up?
who were you talking to?